Okay, last question, part B. All right, you're given figure 1.2. It shows the visitor arrivals to Singapore from 2010 to 2019. Okay, and this is the graph you have. All right, there's a small typo. I forgot to label the graph. Okay, so the top line, the one with the cross, is actually your total visitor arrival, and the one that is using dots to mark out the value, to mark out the graph, is the visitor arrivals from China. Okay, so total, and then the one at the bottom is China. Okay, so I mean you can also deduce common sense, right? Because total visitor arrival will include those from China anyway, so it should be higher. It's China plus other countries. Okay, so the higher one should be the total. Okay, so let's look at the question. The question asks you to compare the changes to total visitor arrivals and visitor arrivals from China. So that means I must compare these two graphs. Okay, so for 3 marks, it means I must make 3 comparisons. All right, this is not SS, not SS. You just one paragraph each. That's it. Okay, comparison in geography is point-based marking. That means 1 comparison, 1 mark. So 3 marks means I must see 3 comparisons. Okay, and as Ms. Tan has highlighted to you in the video, when you compare, as far as possible, you should try to provide similarities and differences. So if the graph or if the stimulus allows you to do both, then marks will be reserved. If you didn't do both similarities and difference, the maximum you can get is only 2 marks out of 3. Okay, so it could be a case of 2 similarities and 1 differences to get 3 comparison, or it can be 1 similarity with 2 differences for 3 marks as well. Okay, so as what Ms. Tan has shared with you from the previous practice, multiple things that you can talk about. You can talk about overall general. Okay, overall are both having the same trend. Okay, are they both increasing or decreasing? Okay, this could be a similarity, all right, or difference. Okay, and you can also talk about the rate of change. Is one increasing faster than the other? All right, so increasing more, sorry, not faster than the other. Okay, so this is one possibility that you can talk about. You can talk about, let's say, the highest growth, okay, a highest increase or decrease, or the smallest increase or decrease. You can compare, are they the same years, okay, or are they the same amount? Or you can even talk about how the trends are different in specific parts. Okay, so for example, one increases while the other decreases. Okay, so these are things that multiple things you can talk about. Pick and choose what's relevant. Okay, but don't forget the overall before you zoom into the specific parts and patterns. Okay.